A commercial kitchen is a busy place. Whether you are looking to achieve or maintain that 5-star and customer rating, or understand a throughout deep clean is simply too much to put on your team. After all, they have worked consistently hard doing their actual job. The last thing you want to do is put more pressure on them to clean the kitchen on a closed day. That said, a deep clean does need to form part of your routine hygiene and maintenance. The inspector will want to see that within your plan and will certainly be looking to make sure standards are being met. Plus, we all know looking after your appliances and your equipment makes them last longer, as well as more customers being quick to recommend you when they are seeing a clean and hygienic environment. VaporClean local, fully trained specialist technicians have been helping restaurants achieve a 5-star hygiene rating, along with other prestigious awards, including a couple of Michelin stars for many years. Combining specialist sanitizing, degreasing solutions and dry steam technology, which can reach not only in the little nooks and crannies traditional cleaning can't, but penetrates porous surfaces to truly sanitize. Our modern technology and methods enable a quick yet efficient clean, working meticulously to provide a 360-degree deep clean. Experience and training keeps us on track to check off all the areas inexperienced eyes might miss, including under ledges where pretty much every inspector runs their pen lid along. Combining specialist appliance cleaning and kitchen extractor system cleaning to give a full revival clean throughout a restaurant's kitchen is a surefire way to maintain a super high standard, satisfy your insurance and inspector all at an even more competitive rate. Working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week means minimizing disruption and downtime for your business, but with a certificate proudly displayed shows your customers how important hygiene is to you, keeping them coming back time and time again. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.